If you've tried downloading applications through Downloader over the last few days and it suddenly just stopped working, don't panic. Amazon haven't blocked Downloader, Mediafire hasn't gone offline. There's actually a known reason for this particular problem. So don't waste any time reinstalling Downloader. Don't factory reset your FireStick. Don't start changing random settings. There's actually now an official fix. So please take a moment to hit that like button, as that really helps support the channel. Now, so guys, just a quick update, because I know lots of you use Downloader through Mediafire. Mediafire is a great way to share files. It's absolutely free. You can upload different content and then share that with people. I also use it on my website for some of my links, but unfortunately lots of you were reporting over the last few days or last few weeks that those links have now stopped working. But the good news is the issue has already been identified and there's now an official fix available. Now, according to Elias, who's the developer of Downloader as well as the great website AFTV News, the problem started after Mediafire updated one of their SSL certificates, which is used to secure traffic. When they changed that certificate, unfortunately some Android devices stopped recognizing that new certificate. And when they don't recognize it, it means they don't trust it. And therefore those devices didn't want to download anything through Downloader. And it is worth mentioning that some devices didn't care and you could download it. So it wasn't something that was impacting every single device out there. But I think it's just important to stress that Amazon isn't blocking Downloader and Mediafire isn't going offline. This was just a change on Mediafire's side, which then caused the problem to affect certain devices. Now, the easy fix for this is because the developer has acted very quickly. He's actually published a brand new fix both on the Google Play Store as well as the Amazon App Store. Now, the quick check is if you just go home, let's navigate to settings, open settings. I've still got that bug on my device that with this new layout, I can't access the settings directly from the UI. I have to go and use my voice to bring up this panel here. Do let me know if you've got this new interface and what you think of it. Okay, if I now go over to my applications, let's go to manage installed applications. I can now scroll down, and what you're looking for here is Downloader. So you can see on my device, I'm already running version 2.0.4. That means on my device, I already have the latest version, and this does have the fix for that Mediafire issue. So do double check on your device. If you have this version, then you shouldn't have any problems after that. If you're running an older version, then definitely go ahead and update Downloader to the latest version. Now, an easy way you can update that is if you press the home button. Let's now long press the select button on Downloader. 3, 2, 1. When you see this menu here, I can now go to more info. And if there's a new version available, you'll see the option here to update application. But we can see on my device, the only option I have is open because, again, I have the latest version. So with this version, I can click on open. Let's now search for something on Mediafire. Let's scroll down. Let's search for Air, because I know this application here, which is called Air Display, which allows you to mirror your iPhone onto your Fire Stick, absolutely free. I know this application is being hosted on Mediafire, so if I click on Get, let's do that now. Make sure you are running a VPN when accessing any content like this. I personally recommend IPVanish. It's super fast, super secure. I've used them for more than 5 years now, and it protects all of my devices just with one single account. If you scan that QR code, you will get a special price for the month of August, and it really is the best way to support me and my work, so many thanks for doing that. Let's click on I understand. This should now take me to Mediafire. It's done that. And now the actual test is if I click on download, and we can see that as I'm running version 2.0.4, that starts working straight away, and I'm now able to download that file. That's working absolutely fine. So just a quick video today, guys, just to make sure if any of you were having issues downloading files through Downloader, make sure you're running the latest version, both on your Amazon devices and your Android TV, Google TV devices. That should then fix the problem for you. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.